Well, it's Thursday morning, and this is one of our tropical downpours. It is just absolutely pouring. You can see the water coming down off the little overflow pipe over there. Crazy! But it's very nice and cool. I just love the sound of the rain. So does Garfield, right? You like the rain, Garfield? Yep. What about you, Frankie? You like the rain too? Yeah? What about you, Coco? You like the rain? What about you, Haley? 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 Mama Haley? You like the rain too? I don't know if they like the rain or not, but this is outside our back balcony. That's our neighbor's house over there. Yeah, one of those mornings. I love coming out here and just listening to the rain sometimes. Although sometimes it will bring in the mosquitoes, which stinks. I gotta keep the dogs on the heartworm prevention. Alright, that's enough of that. Oh, gotta show you this big old tree up here. Very rare do you find these big trees down in the Florida Keys like this.